Hello and welcome to another Cambridge Global English Grade 3 lesson. Our today's topic is Nasreddin's story. This is very interesting moral story in which you are going to learn how to find fair solutions to problems and conflicts, and you are also going to learn other values or morals like one should be helpful to others, one shouldn't be greedy, and one shouldn't be bad with poor people. I hope you will not only enjoy this story but also keep these morals in your daily life, your routine life. So let's start it. The first activity is talk about it. Have you ever been to a shop that has a delicious smell? Delicious smell is a good smell, a pleasant smell, a smell that attracts you. So have you ever been to a shop that has a delicious smell? Yes, I have been to a shop that has a delicious smell. Yes, I have been to a shop that has a delicious smell. What was the shop? It was a sweet shop, or you can say it was a fast food shop. What was the smell? It was very wonderful smell. It was very pleasant smell. Anything you can say. Next is read. Read this story from Turkey. It is about a man called Nasreddin who always teaches a wise lesson. First you will listen this story, then you will read it 3 times, and then we will solve the questions at the end. So here I will play audio track. You will listen it and read it in your heart. A fair solution. Fair means something that is reasonable, right? Solution means answer to any problem. So let's listen it now.
51. A fair solution. One day, a poor man walked by a fine, expensive restaurant. He smelled the delicious food. The man was hungry and tired. He sat down outside the restaurant and took out a piece of dry bread. If I smell these wonderful smells while I eat my bread, I can pretend I'm eating a lovely meal, he thought. The man closed his eyes. He imagined a delicious meal of fish, vegetables, fruit, and cakes. The rich restaurant owner came outside and yelled at the poor man. "Stop! You're enjoying the smell of my delicious food. You must pay me for that." "But I'm only enjoying the smell in the air. I haven't eaten any of your food," said the poor man. "Those smells are mine. They come from my delicious food. Pay me the money," demanded the rich man. "No," said the poor man. "That's not fair. I won't pay you." "Then we will go to the judge," said the rich man. "He will make you pay." The judge of the town was Nasreddin. Nasreddin was clever and wise. "Tell me the problem," Nasreddin said to the rich man. The rich man pointed to the poor man. "This man sat outside my restaurant and enjoyed the smell of my delicious food. The food belongs to me, and so does the smell of the food. I want this man to pay me money for enjoying those wonderful smells," said the rich man. "Is it true that you enjoyed the smells of this man's delicious food?" Nasreddin asked the poor man. "Yes, it's true," said the poor man. "Give me your money then," said Nasreddin. Sadly, the poor man gave Nasreddin a small bag of coins. I haven't got much money. This is all I have, said the poor man. Nasreddin took the bag of coins and held it next to the rich man's ear. He shook the bag so the coins jingled. Can you hear the sound of this money? Nasreddin asked the rich man. Of course, said the rich man. Good, said Nasreddin. That is your payment. This poor man enjoyed the smell of your food. Now you have enjoyed the sound of his money. That is a fair solution. Nasreddin handed the bag of coins back to the poor man. You are free to go now, Nasreddin said to the poor man. The problem has been solved. Thank you, said the poor man. You're welcome, said Nasreddin.
Now pause the video here, read this story 3 times and then move to the next activity. In next activity, read these questions and say their answers. You can find their answers in the story. Better to write them here so then you can practice them easily. First question is, who are the 3 characters in this story? Who are the 3 characters in this story? The 3 characters are a poor man, a rich man, and Nasruddin. What did the poor man do while he ate his dry bread? If in the question is did, that means it is in the past. So when you will write the answer, you must write the past form of the verb. So what did the poor man do while he ate his dry bread? He smelled the delicious food. He smelled the delicious food. What did the rich man say when he yelled at the poor man? What did the rich man say when he yelled at the poor man? He said, "Stop, you're enjoying the smell of my delicious food." He said, "Stop, you're enjoying the smell of my delicious food." How did the poor man feel when Nasruddin said, "Give me your money"? Why? How did he feel? And why did he feel so? He felt sad because he didn't have much money. He felt sad because he didn't have much money. What did Nasruddin do with the bag of coins? What did Nasruddin do with the bag of coins? He held it next to the rich man's ear and he shook the bag so the coins jingled. He held it next to the rich man's ear and shook it. Fill in the missing words. Nasruddin said to the rich man, "The poor man enjoyed the dash of your food." Now you have enjoyed the dash of his money. That is a dash solution. I leave it for you. Read the story and complete these sentences. 7. Do you think the rich man liked Nasruddin's solution? Why not? Do you think the rich man liked Nasruddin's solution? Why not? I think he didn't like Nasruddin's solution because he was a greedy man. I think he didn't like Nasruddin's solution because he was a greedy man. Last one is there. Do you think the poor man liked Nasruddin's solution? Why? I think he liked Nasruddin's solution because he got his money back. I think he liked Nasruddin's solution because he got his money back. After that, on the next page is word study. Read the sentences and choose the correct option. A meal at an expensive restaurant costs a lot of money or just a little money. Surely a lot of money, so A is the correct option. Number 2 is down. A delicious smell is A bad smell, B a good smell. So a delicious smell is a good smell. To enjoy a meal means to like it, to put it in a bag. A, to like it. Number 4 is you pay for a meal with food or money. You pay for a meal with food or money. So B is the correct answer. Number 5 is a coin is a money that is flat and made of paper or a money that is made of metal. So the B is correct option. A coin is a money that is made of metal. Then look it here in the box, language detective. Find three different words used in the story to describe food. They all mean very nice. So you will find three adjectives that mean very nice and they describe food, like lovely, delicious, fine. So that was all for today. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Till the next lesson, take care of yourself. Goodbye.